2019 F-350 Platinum. It's brand spanking new, bought it off the lot. It's got 100 miles on it. We've got 26-inch RBP wheels. It's their new 2020 design. We've got the RBP Midnight Grill, and we've got some rock lights and stuff like that on there from them as well. We did SEMA last year, and we did a super cool 6-door truck, but we noticed that everybody that's getting the attention has really got something that's vibrant and just off the chart. So that's why we decided to do the blue chrome and the Avery Dennison vinyl. Our Instagram is Fastlane Garage. You can follow us on Facebook as well. You can just look us up as Fastlane Garage LLC.